Beautiful people, welcome back again to another video. If you are new in this channel, this is Queen Sharon Entertainment, a home of freedom fighters. If you haven't joined our family yet, join us by hitting the red button down below on the bell notification icon. So whenever we have a new video in this same channel, you will get notified. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I love you all. So my people, I have a video here that I want you all to watch, and I myself will be watching with you in this particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about the video after watching on the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you again in my
and federated provinces respectively. 3. Council of Ministers comprises of all appointed ministers, Attorney General, and Biafran ambassadors on foreign mission, whose primary role is to implement all government functions, policies, and programs. 4. Provincial Council comprising of the 31 provincial adjutants, including commissioners, provincial chief judges, and special appointees, whose primary role is to carry out projects and programs in their respective provinces. 5. Advisory Council comprising of ex-military personnel, the traditional custodians, Attorney General, and reputable religious leaders, whose primary role is giving concise and intelligent advice to the head of provinces. The following ministers are hereby created but not limited. Number 1, Minister of Interior Affairs. Number 2, Minister of Foreign Affairs. Number 3, Ministry of Justice. Number 4, Ministry of Defense. Number 5, Ministry of Ancestry. Number 6, Ministry of Academics. Number 7, Ministry of Development / Innovations. Number 8, Ministry of Information. Number 9, Ministry of Agriculture / Scale Acquisition. Number 10, Ministry of Affairs on Women, Children and Vulnerable. Number 11, Ministry of Health. 12, Ministry of Finance. 13, Ministry of Natural Resources. 14, Ministry of Transportation. 15, Ministry of Environment. 16, Ministry of Sports. 17, Ministry of Youth Affairs. 18, Ministry of Trade and Commerce. 19, Ministry of Works and Housing. Please be informed that the Biafra Armed Forces has taken charge of governmental affairs in the independent state of Biafra, pending when absolutely normalcy, peace, love, and unity is fully restored in all provinces of Biafra. In the absence of every rancor, acrimony, malice, and grudges amongst all splinter groups, in the absence of every rancor, acrimony, malice, and grudges amongst all splinter groups and dissenting voices, whereby completely absorbed and peaceful understanding is reached, then administrative power will be handed over to a civilian in a free and fair election. Every appointment of the Biafra provincial government PBG shall be based on merit. The council urges every denizen in Biafra land to do away with power and leadership torture. We urge every one of us to focus on the priority, which is the self-defense of our national flag of independence, which was rehosted on 30th October 2021. The most important task is the protection of lives of indigenous Biafrans and defense of our borders, boundaries, and territories. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of our indigenous scientists and engineers working assiduously in the invasion of our rocket missiles. The Ikenga ballistic launcher 1771, Omanjowa 1330, Biafran virus aka Kamal Ozbi 21. This Biafran virus will bring an end to what is known as coronavirus, because we are going to send this Biafran virus if Nigerian government refuses to accept our redeclaration, which we have done on 30th of October, because we are now an independent nation. So we will launch it. If the world said that Biafra will not exist, I believe they must agree with us that Biafra must surely exist, because nobody have the right to stop Biafra from existing. And thanks be to Chukwuoke Abiyama, for he has given us victory already. I proceed. I sincerely appreciate the efforts of indigenous scientists and engineers working assiduously in the invasion of our rocket missiles. The Ikenga ballistic launcher 1771, Omanjowa 1330, Biafran virus aka Kamal Ozbi 21, Alekaku 021, BNG Red Devil 01, and other warfare machinery which cannot be mentioned. I want to appreciate the following Biafran armed groups of freedom fighters for their good efforts, and also charge them to seek the right channel of communication so as to align with the Biafran armed forces. These are as follows: the great Ekumeku, Angry Viper, Great Warriors, Motherland Warriors, Network, Niger Delta Volunteer Force, Biafran National League, and the Movement for the Emancipation of Niger Delta. Also, the respect of the fundamental freedom and human rights of the Ambazonia people must be enforced and respected. The Cameroonian government of Paul Biya must adhere to the rights of indigenous Ambazonians to self-determination and self-defense. This is also to notify the South African government to release Henry Oka with immediate effect, because he is a prisoner of conscience and a Biafran citizen, and we demand the respect to his fundamental freedom and human rights. I am using this medium to warn those politicians and individuals bent on sabotaging the efforts of the self-defense of Biafran sovereignty. In addition, I hereby state therein that I will give 3 conditions. In addition, I hereby state therein that I will give 3 conditions to halt the triggering of self-defense activities engaged by the Biafran National Guard against the occupying Nigerian state and its security forces. The first condition is the unconditional release and acquittal of every charges within 2 weeks of the following: Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, Benjamin Onwuka, and Mr. Akwara, who was adopted as a Furun Warri for over a year by the Nigerian Security Services, and his whereabouts unknown till date. What a sacrilege. I am specifically demanding that the fourth governor, Willie Obiano of Anambra State, to without delay release Mr. Chukwuemeka Chibuogu, whom he ordered his arrest since 29th day of March 2014 at Erison Police Station, Ugunwasike Ogidi Demili North, where he was working as a vigilante security staff. Until date, his whereabouts is unknown. If anything happens to him, Anambra State will never know peace. The subsequent 2 conditions to hold the triggering of the self-defense and launching of our rocket missiles against the occupying Nigerian state can be made known after the granting of the unconditional release of above mentioned persons within the stipulated time, which expires on 14 December 2021. We do hope the occupying Nigerian state shall have a listening ear, because the Biafra National Guard guarantees a total destruction and not in any way joking. Thanks, and may Chukwu Okike Abiyama continues to enrich every area of our lives. God bless the independent state of Biafra. God bless the Biafran provincial.
Thank you so much for watching that particular video. Feel free to let me know what you think about this video in the comment section below. Like and share this video, and I will see you guys again in my next one. Bye.